Okay, one more sample question right here. Okay, let's find out SD, which is standard deviation. That's it. For that, we need the mean first, right? That's it. Okay, let's do it. So which is X, line on the top, which is the mean, right? Okay, so now how you find out the average? Okay, we're talking about the average, okay? So everybody knows this one. So you got to add everything, divide by, how many numbers? That's right, 10 numbers, right? I have 10 new values right here. Okay, let's find out standard deviation. That's it. Okay, SD. Okay, the symbol, symbol looks like this, right? Okay, so lowercase of sigma. That's right. So now we're going to find out that one. So first step, step number 1, we have to find out, that's right, the mean value, right? Okay, so that's it. So to find out the mean value, okay, so you have to find out what? Estimated mean. I told you about that one, right? In this case, maybe 5 through 12, okay, 13. Okay, looks like about easy number. Like I said, easy number. Okay, 10. I'm going to pick up 10, okay? Then, what's the difference between 10 and 5? Oh, that means negative 5. Oh, negative 2, negative 3, 1, negative 1, 3, negative 6, or negative 4, I mean. Okay, 1, then negative 2, or then 2. Oh, now we can add this one. So you remember I picked up already. I picked 10. Okay. Then add only this one. Okay. So now, okay, we can scratch everything. Okay. So like this one. Okay. Negative 1, positive 1 is gone. Now, positive 2, negative 2. Okay. Now, what about, negative 4 and 3 and 1 make 4. So, so we can scratch everything away, right? Now, what is the difference? Negative 5, negative 2, negative. That means negative 10 divided by 10. Oh, that's it. So that's minus 1. So 10 minus 1, which is 9. 9 is the, that's right, mean value, which is, okay, so x equals 9. Okay, so also you remember, okay, so 5, 8, 7, all these numbers right here, so I can call, okay, xi, right? Okay, so I gonna be variable changing numbers, the 1 through, okay, 10 in this case. So x1, x2, x3, so on. x1 is 5. Okay, that's it. Now, okay, after we found this one out, the first thing you have to do what? Okay, the difference from this mean value. That means, okay, this x1 minus 9, which is negative 4. Okay, very simple. Okay, this one, negative 1. Okay, negative 2. Okay, 11. Oh, that's 2, right? Okay, 9. Oh, that's exactly the same as what the mean value, which is 13 is a 4 minus 3. Okay, 2. Okay, minus 1. Then 3. That's it. Then, okay, what did I say? So, actually, we need absolute values, right? That means change everything to positive. That's it. Okay, so 4, 1, 2, 2, 0, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Now, square everything, right? You remember? Okay, I'm going to put this formula first. How about that? Now, you got all these absolute values. Then you square all of them, right? See, look at this one, see? So xi, which is x1, x2, x3, minus 9, which is the mean value. Then square first, see? Square. Then add everything, which is sum right here. See? Sigma means the sum, right? Oh, very simple. So now, hey, that's it. Square first. Okay, a squared, which is 16, right? 1, 4, 4, 0, 16, 9, 4, 1, 9. Then you add everything, right? Oh man, very simple. Okay, so you add everything. The total, that's right, 64, right? Okay, 64. Then, it says divided by 10, right? Okay, so divided by 10, okay, which is, okay, just like this. 64 divided by 10. Yes, this answer is actually 6.4. Now you have to put square root sign, right? But right before that one, how you call it? Which is actually, this one we call, the name is what? Variance, right? Okay, very important. Variance. So that's right. Now that means variance is inside of this. Okay, so right before you put a square root sign. Now variance sign. What is the variance sign? That means right before that one, so we call this one, okay, like I said, okay, so this is sigma, right? Okay, sigma. Okay, but that's the before square root, that means sigma square. That's it. Okay. Sorry. Okay, so like this, squared, which is this one. So now all you have to do what? Okay, that's a square. Okay, so we need now, okay, which is standard deviation, right? This one is standard deviation. Okay, now I can put this one, okay, SD. Okay, standard deviation. That's it. Now, okay, square root 6.4. Now you can use this one. That's right, calculator. How about that? Which is 2.53. Oh man, very interesting. Okay, step number 1. That's right. We're going to go over this one, okay? So step number 1, we're going to find out the mean right here. We have two different means, right? So one is the population mean and sample mean. In this case, okay, so we ignore that. Okay, so you got to follow your instruction or your teacher, so whoever, okay? So, okay, we ignore that, so that's why I use the 10 instead of 9, okay? So the sample, especially biased, okay, then we use 9. Okay, so forget about that one now. Okay, then as soon as we get that one, then all these values minus 9, right? Which is -4, so on. Then we change this one to what? Absolute value. So yeah, then square. It's going to be, even if -4 squared, it's still in 16. Okay, so it's going to be positive anyway. Then we add everything. See? Oh, look at this. See, add everything. Then 64 right here. Then divided by 10.